everybody. I'm Dr. Usma from ELAF Women Healthcare Center. Today I'll be talking about From the Womb to the World, the magic of a mother's first hold. Every life begins with a moment of care, a journey shaped by trust, expertise and compassion. From the first heartbeat to the first hold, there are moments that define motherhood. More than just delivering babies, it's about creating meaningful, emotional birth experiences. Because in every new beginning, we are not just delivering babies, we are fulfilling dreams and holding hope. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Kavita from Geeta Hospital, Avlali. Today, on this special occasion of Mother's Day, I'm going to speak something truly magical, the journey from womb to the world. Every moment of life begins with a moment of care, and this journey is shaped with compassion, trust and expertise. These are the stages of motherhood, and we are here not for just delivering the babies. We are here to create those truly meaningful emotional birth experiences, and we are here to fulfill the dreams and the hope. And I wish everyone a happy Mother's Day to all the incredible mothers out there.
Hello, happy Mother's Day to everyone. On this special occasion of Mother's Day, I feel deeply privileged to stand here not just as a doctor but as someone who has witnessed the incredible strength, resilience and love of mothers every day. In our profession, we often talk about healing, care and compassion, but if you think about it, the very first healer in every person's life is a mother. From the moment a child is born, a mother becomes a constant guardian of health and happiness to the child. And even in the hospital, I have seen mothers who haven't slept for days and yet they remain strong for their child's sake. I even seen silent prayers in the ICU corridors for their child. Their hopeful eyes helps in the recovery, and also their unwavering belief makes even the most difficult situations to be averted. So we all should elevate the altar of mother, and once again I wish everyone a very happy Mother's Day.
Hello everyone, I am Dr. Pragya Goyal. It has been my privilege to witness the beautiful journey of motherhood every day. Wishing all mothers a very happy Mother's Day.
Hi, I am Dr. Neera Mehta, consultant gynecologist and Director Mehta Hospital, Kharar. On this Mother's Day, I extend my greetings to all women who are both special and integral part of society. As a gynecologist, my professional life is centered around the birth of life. I have the privilege of witnessing the moment a woman becomes a mother, and I can tell you by experience that this is the most powerful transformation in human nature. Mother is the primary guardian of a family's health, both emotionally, physically as well as mentally. Here's to celebrate the biology of life. Happy Mother's Day to all my patients, my colleagues and to every woman of the community. Thank you.
We know that the most precious, the gift what we have got from God while we are being born here is mother only. I think through the mother we have come to this world, and we know that she has been everything for us, taking care of us. I think I read somewhere what is the caste of a mother. They said there's no caste, she belongs to all the castes. See, when she cleans our fecal matter and the urine, she becomes a Sudra. When she advises how to be economical and how to proceed in this world in a very balanced way, I think she becomes a Vaishya. And when she tries to protect us from other things and saves us, she's a Kshatriya. And once she tells us all about virtues and how to be a good human being, she becomes a Brahmin. So I think she has no caste. Same way I wish all the mothers and would-be mothers, anticipating mothers, expectant mothers, also to be lucky to become a mother, a happy Mother's Day. Thank you.
आज 8 मई है और आज का ये दिन मातृशक्ति को समर्पित है। माँ आप उस दिन नहीं बनते हो जिस दिन आप बच्चे को जन्म देते हो। माँ आप उस दिन ही बन जाते हो जिस दिन आपका गर्भधारण होता है या बच्चा पेट में आता है। ये वही समय है जब आप बच्चे में संस्कार भी डाल सकते हो। आज का ये संदेश उन सब माँओं के लिए है जिन्होंने अभी गर्भधारण किया है कि जो डॉक्टर आपको सलाह देते हैं दवाइयाँ खानी है, उन सब के अलावा भी बच्चे में अच्छे संस्कार आएं, उसके लिए आप अच्छी अच्छी बातें सोचें, क्योंकि जो मस्तिष्क है उसका जो भी असर है वो बच्चे पे जाता है। आप जो भी अच्छा सोचते हो वो सब बच्चा उस तरीके से डेवलप होता है। अच्छी अच्छी किताबें पढ़ें, अच्छे अच्छे ग्रंथ पढ़ें, अच्छा अच्छा म्यूज़िक सुनें और अच्छा हेल्दी सात्विक भोजन करें। इन सब चीज़ों से आपके बच्चे में अच्छे संस्कार आएंगे। आज आप सबको इस मदर्स डे पे एक बार फिर से मुबारक। हैप्पी मदर्स डे।
Everyone, happy Mother's Day. On the occasion of this Mother's Day, let's celebrate the most profound, silent, and magical moment in human existence. That's the first hold of a mother. Exact instant when two worlds meet, the world inside the womb and the world outside. That is called the golden hour as per the science also. A mother's heart meets her child for the very first time. Skin to skin contact. And in this hold, baby stops crying. You know why? Because the baby recognizes the voice, the scent of a mother, his or her first protector, always the one who's going to love that child for the whole life till that person is alive. That is a mother. That's the first teacher. So this magic is not just emotional, it's scientific also, as proven by the science. Moment of pure love. So thank you to all the mothers out there and happy Mother's Day. Thank you.
Hello everyone, happy Mother's Day to all. Myself Dr. Vani. I am working as a senior consultant at Mothercraft Hospital. 10th of May, that is tomorrow, we are going to celebrate Mother's Day. So when we have come across so many mothers, and birthing is such a beautiful experience. And there is a saying which says that hand that rocks the cradle rules the world. So it's very important for our mothers to be healthy, because they are the foundations of a family, they are foundations of the country, and they are foundations of the whole world. So let's pledge to have healthy mothers and healthy babies and a healthy community. Thank you.
Thanks.